Sudhir Mangla, a down-to-earth professional, having deep belief in ethical values, had a traditional and simple family upbringing. He did his schooling from St. Xavier's School, Delhi, and graduated from the prestigious Shri Ram College of Commerce, Delhi. Thereafter, he did LLB from Faculty of Law, Delhi University. He began his career by establishing a reputed marketing organization specializing in engineering and material handling equipments. And within a short span of time, he added various products and branches. Today, he is the chairman of Mangla Hoists Private Limited, a very reputed organization enjoying excellent name and goodwill in the field of marketing and manufacturing of cranes and hoists. By virtue of his vision, patience, and hard work, he has established manufacturing units at Noida and Greater Noida, with offices at Asif Ali Road and Nehru Place, New Delhi. Sudhir joined Rotary in the year 1990 and is a member of Rotary Club of Delhi Lutyens. He served as the club president in 1996-97. Recipient of many awards for his achievements at club as well as district level, including Outstanding Club President Award, Best Club Fellowship Award, Best Board Member Award, and Best Rotarian Award in 2011-12 and 2012-13. He was also the club trainer in 2008-9 and 2012-13. He organized short-term exchange program of 20 students from Switzerland and Germany in 1996-97 and hosted the GSE team in 2002-03. Sudhir was chairman of District Assembly during 1995-96, even before becoming a club president. He has been passionate and dedicated towards polio eradication and has worked at various positions for many years. He was selected as GSE team leader in 2001-2 to USA. He was also Assistant Governor Meets in 2002-03 and won the Star Assistant Governor Award. He has also chaired various important committees. He was Treasurer and Secretary, Rotary Alumni District 3010. He has been a delegate to RI Convention, Bangkok 2012, RI South Asia Summit, Hyderabad 2012-13, and RI Convention, Sydney 2014. Sudhir is also very actively involved with other social activities. He is chairman, membership committees, All India Agarwal Sammelan, Chief Patron, All India Vaish Federation, Executive President, Confederation of Delhi Apartment Owners. He was the leader of trade delegation of business pioneers to South Korea from India, China, Vietnam, and Kuwait. He was selected as delegate by Spanish government to International Trade Fair at Zaragoza, Spain. Sudhir is married to Sunita, a postgraduate from Delhi University. Sudhir and Sunita are major donors to the Rotary Foundation. Sunita has been the proud recipient of Best Rotarian Award in 1993-94. She has been a very persistent and motivating factor in Sudhir's success. They are blessed with two sons, Nishant and Vaibhav, who are also Rotarians. Both are engineers with management degrees, well settled and very successfully growing the family business of cranes manufacturing sold by Sudhir. They are also blessed with 4 grandchildren.